In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch or change your Slack account from dark theme to light theme. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to change your Slack theme to any of the theme that you wish, it is pretty simple. Currently, as you can see, I'm on a dark theme and I like to switch this to light theme. To do this, just head over to your profile icon here and then click on it. Then head to preferences and you can see it is here. And under this, head to appearance. Now from appearance, you can see your current color. We have the color mode on your account. So currently I'm on dark theme and I like to switch this to light theme. To do that, just click on light and this will go ahead and switch my account from dark theme to light theme. So that's how you can switch your account from dark theme to light theme in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.